The Mainstays Grill Gazebo was sold at Walmart. To determine if this is the correct replacement canopy for your gazebo, please refer to the manufacturer model number L-G238PST-11 or MS1208404301. The model number should be located on a tag on the original canopy or instructions manual. The size of the frame is 8x5 and is 2-tiered. A few key identifiers for this gazebo are square frame posts, bar tables at each side of gazebo, curved bar around top perimeter of frame with vertical bars inside. The canopy attaches to the gazebo by corner pockets. Garden Winds offers a replacement canopy designed to fit the Mainstays Grill Gazebo. Our canopies are offered in multiple grades of fabric from standard 350 to our exclusive Riplock 350 and Riplock 500. Riplock is made with triple thread grid lines that add durability to the canopy. Our canopies also have DuraPocket construction with Ultra Stitch for added strength. If you have any questions, call, text, or email us. We're here to help.